So, there's a funny thing. I noticed some nasty sounds when you increase the volume, but it is actually the headphone amp. I'll show you. So, it's already almost there. If I increase the volume a little bit, you hear it? Now if I put a resistor in parallel, we load the amp more. So we're right on the edge where it is really sounding nasty, and I'll add the resistor. So yeah, this is just quite loud of course, but the amp can't take that. It's just a normal DAC, Focusrite in this case. The Digi design was even worse. So you do need, well, if you want to listen really loud, a different headphone amp. But I guess it's quite loud, not sure. This is how it looks. With some background stuff, children yelling and such. But it's pretty okay-ish. Peak here, not sure what it is yet. But doesn't look too bad. Does it go low? No, still 40 hertz. But better, at least. So yeah, making progress at least. See ya. Oh, here's a song.
De soir rose, je déambule morose. Le crépuscule est grandiose. À l'aise, que tu puisses à l'aise. Oh, que tu puisses à l'aise. So